the 2017 Jeep Renegade. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.